To be honest, I've been hiding something about my Tesla. This Model 3 Highland that I bought 4 months ago, well, I'd actually already scratched it in the first 2 weeks of owning the car. Luckily, the guy on the dirt bike was alright. I hope this never happens to any of you watching since it really hurts. However, if by chance it has, please pause the video right now and go back up that dashcam footage in your car. I was brand new to Teslas at the time and didn't actually consider the possibility that the footage would just be wiped after only 2 days. Thankfully, after a quick wash, most of the visible damage left over was just to the plastic rear diffuser. I remember that night, standing outside in the dark, just staring at the scratch and pondering all my life choices. Luckily, this plastic trim repair product saved me a ton of money in repairs and perfectly hides the marks. It's great for hiding scratches or even just to make the trim piece look brand new again. It does slowly wear off after a couple months, but it's pretty easy to reapply. In the end, I've had to come to terms with the fact that these things will inevitably happen. In fact, just the other day, I noticed curb rash on my front rims, and yes, it was painful at first, but I just went and picked up a bottle of touch-up paint from Amazon and moved on with my day. I know it's not perfect, but this really just shows that my Tesla has transitioned from a shiny new toy to something that I actually live with, enjoy, and use every single day. Subscribe if you like this video or if you want to show your support. I might be experimenting with some different types of videos in the next few months, but you know I'll be here and ready when the next Tesla update drops. See you all in the next video.